So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 16.7.15 just isn't installing. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this can end up happening is because you don't have enough storage saved onto your device. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to just go through and just make sure you have enough storage saved on your phone. If you can go through and delete some apps or go inside of your iPhone storage settings and just double check and make sure you have enough storage saved onto your device. That is basically the number one thing I'd recommend doing. Number two, also just double check your internet connection settings. Sometimes your internet connection might be faulty, it might be out a little bit. So that can be another one of those things I'd recommend kind of looking into as well. Just making sure that you're basically having a good, solid internet connection to install this update. If that's still not working, another important thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about here too is to just go through and just try restarting your iPhone. This can be another very easy thing to kind of do here too. And as you're going through and kind of updating your phone for the most part, that could be another very easy thing to kind of think about here. And that is probably another thing I'd recommend doing. So those are pretty much the main things to kind of do here for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.